Hi. Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, we will be seeing how you can access a Linux machine which is hosted on your, suppose you have a Windows 10, Windows 11 laptop or desktop, you have hosted a Linux machine using Hyper-V. Now, we'll see how you can access that machine from your computer with a static IP through SSH or whatever, suppose you're deploying some Nginx or anything. In that Linux machine, we will see how you can apply a static IP in this VM. So this is my experiment VM, which is I have deployed in Hyper-V. You can create as many as you want, depending upon what kind of configurations you have. So let's start. So before that, I will just quickly show you right now in this VM, there is no networking adapters attaching. There's no networking adapters. You can see I need to attach over here. I just detached a few minutes back. To my host machine, you will see I have the default switch, which is the default one. You don't remove this thing. And I have created another one. So we'll be creating at first the default switch. Attach this switch to the VM, we'll create a NAT and do all these things. For quick reference, I also have all these commands ready. I will give this command in the description of the video. Okay. So now what we'll do first. So at first we will create a networking switch. Okay, so let me just go over there. You can see default VNet. So these things you can see from control panel also. You need to go to network and sharing, change adapter setting, and here you will see this is the Wi-Fi I'm connected right now, and this is the VNet which I created. Just like this one, we will create a VNet 2 or ABCD, whatever name you want. Let's create a virtual network. The type will be internal, so that our main purpose is to access the VM from this computer. The internal, let me give the name to VNet, suppose 12 is the name. Okay, apply. Okay, now if you want to see the same thing, you will go to a control panel. If you refresh this one, you will see there is a VNet 12. Okay, let's just attach this VNet 12 to our VM. So settings, you will find the setting over here as well. So adapter, add VNet 12, apply. So right now we just created a switch and attached to this thing. There is no IP assignment, nothing. So it's all DHCP right now. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go over here, click on this one, properties. I'll just keep an IP address of 172. Suppose, or let me just 10.10.1. This will be the IP of this Ethernet. This is a gateway kind of thing. So this will be like 255. I want 255 last 256 address spaces. So this one, okay, close. Now if you want to see the same thing through the command line, you can just copy this command, whatever we have created. You will see the response over here. We have created, this is the previous one, we have created a Ethernet Hyper-V virtual network adapter. This is the IF index. So this is the index, I would say. This is the index, which is up right now. So whenever we need to do anything on this adapter, we need to reference this number. So the same thing what I have created through the GUI version, you can do the same thing like New-VMSwitch. You can give the name, a switch type internal, and after that you can assign the IP what I have attached. We need to open the Linux machine, assign a static IP. Let's go here. Let's start our machine. So here, if I do if config, you will see some. So I have already configured this one previously, so that's why it's getting connected. But the thing is that even if it's getting connected, you can't really access, like suppose. So you can't really access internet from this one right now because we have attached a network adapter and there is no internet right now. So we need to create a NAT for this. So to create a NAT, we need to copy this command new-NetNat to create a NAT. So this will tell in which addresses we want to create. So I have given, so remember I have given over here 10.10.0.1 and I want 0 to 255 all addresses are included. So I'm going to mention over here is that 10.0.0/24. So let me just name it a different name. Okay. I need to open it from admin section. So this one. So I hit enter. It's created a NAT address spaces. So whenever you, your host machine, so the virtual machine which will be connecting to the internet can use host machine's IP to access the internet because they don't have any access previously. So now let's open our system over here. So you can't really access right now, so you need to set a static IP over here as well. So for that, here and enter to the root for now. Oops. Okay. So now inside etc net plan there will be some file which which you can modify to assign static IP, DNS, gateway IPs, whatever things you want. So this is the thing. Right now, what I want the static IP to be, suppose 10.10. Okay, numlock on and here dot 0 dot suppose 100. I want to access this machine 10.10.0.100. This will be the DNS used and default. So this default is the IP which you have set during configuration of your Ethernet. So this will act as external gateway. Over here to the 10.10. Save, just apply the net plan. Apply. Now if you config, you will see 10.10.0.100 is showing over here. Now if I do a little scroll over here, you'll see you can access the internet right now. And also if you come back over here, change this one, come back over here and do a little SSH username. It will ask you for the fingerprint with the password. Let me just check what are the right now ports are connected. Okay, so in this command you can see what are the right now connections in your VM right now. So I'm just doing a little quick searching at the end. See, so right now, if you remember, this is the IP of our local. This is the local IP. This is also the local IP. Local IP means the virtual adapter IP, which we have set it over here. You can see from here as well, this one. And whenever we are connecting to this 10.100, it is going via that adapter and connecting to port number 22 to this machine. So it's acting as external gateway. You can create a virtual switch at first, then you can assign a specific IP. So you can create a virtual switch, then assign a specific IP to the switch, and then you can create a NAT to tell the host machine that whenever there is a request, just pass it to here. There is a couple of other commands which I have written over here. Like you can see what are the NATs right now are connected now. This one. what are the NATs configured in your machine right now. So I have two. One is this one, another one is the previous one which I have created. So these are the NATs right now in your machine. So this is the address space it will translate, and you can just see what are the IP address we have set for all the adapters right now. This is the one which I created previously or created just now, 10.0.1. This is one V800 VNet12, and with this you can see all the right now networking adapters in the computer. So this Hyper-V's are all the virtual one. This is the physical networking NIC which is included in the motherboard, which is not disconnected right now. I didn't connect this one. I have a Wi-Fi, so this is the physical Wi-Fi which is connected. That's pretty much it, and this is the syntax if you want to the couple of other parameters also, which I don't know, you can just check the documentation anytime and see. So DHCP false means the router or whatever gateway which we have, it will not assign a DHCP IP or dynamically IP to this machine. And addresses, what address you want. Name servers, these are the DNS name, it's the Google one, both are Google's one. And route, this is the external default, external the networking adapter IP which I mentioned over here. If you have a specific gateway, you can mention it over here. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope this is helpful. If you have anything to ask, you can just do a little comment. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.